Okay, what is up, semester astronomy? Mr. Krug coming back at you. Gonna do a quick run through with you on the fall sky. So here's our vocab list. We are looking at the right-hand column. This is the shorter column. And you, as always, are gonna be following these 4 steps down here at the bottom. But I wanna show you what the finished product is gonna look like on your star charts to help you out even more. So step number 1, everybody, you might recall, is the only step that we are doing with our SC001 charts. So here I call them the 001. The new model name from the company is, well, let's see, that one says 001. Let me see. Some of them say 01 on them, but it means the same exact chart. So remember, step number 1, you are just tracing your constellations on here with one of your colored pencils. The ones we need for the fall sky are Pegasus, the winged horse or the flying horse, Andromeda, the princess. She unofficially attaches to Pegasus at the star Alpheratz. Ooh, sorry, my fingernails are dirty, gross. Then we've got Pisces, the fish. We've got Pisces austrinus, the southern fish. Notice, kind of random thing, the spelling of Pisces is different. This is ES, which means plural, 2 fish in Latin, both attached, unfortunately for them, to the same piece of fishing line. Then down here, Pisces austrinus, that's 1 fish, so it's IS. And austrinus, way I remember this, I think austrinus sounds like Australia, which is down south. So that's Pisces austrinus, the southern fish. And then up here, everybody, we have Perseus, the hero, who rescued the princess Andromeda on board Pegasus, the winged horse, and also slayed Medusa. So that's what we need for our SC01 or 001 star chart. So get one last look. Then steps 2, 3, and 4 are going to be on the T chart. So step 2 and 3, we're going to use the same color to connect the dots to make our constellations and our asterisms. So let's look at the T chart here, see the work we did. So for starters, everybody, on the T chart, this one star in the circlet of Pisces is missing. So you got to add that action on your own. So here we've got the great square, sometimes known as the baseball diamond on the sky. And then if that's the baseball diamond, home plate, first base, second base, third base. Out here in left field, we've got the circlet inside Pisces. So those are your 2 asterisms. Please use dotted lines. You can do it like Mr. Krug did it here, or you can just do dotted lines for these parts instead of the solid. Either way is totally cool. So notice we've used the same color that I used on my full chart. Notice too, in capital letters, I write the names of the constellations and all the asterisms. Again, everybody, this is on the T chart. The only thing you're going to use your secondary color for are going to be the names of the stars and objects, which is step number 4. So step 2, we connected our dots. Step 3, we wrote the constellation and asterism names in all caps. Now step 4, everybody, you're going to write these star and object names with your secondary color, and they go in lowercase letters. So down here at the mouth of the southern fish, we have the solitary one, Fomalhaut. It's the only star of considerable brightness in this whole part of the sky down here. So Fomalhaut is at the mouth of Pisces austrinus, the southern fish. No stars we need in Pisces. Just make sure you've got the circlet. And then here in Pegasus, the winged horse, everybody, with our baseball diamond analogy, the third base star is Markab. And the first base star, technically part of Andromeda, the princess, is Alpheratz. So we have Markab and Alpheratz. Then here in Andromeda proper, we have the most distant object human eyes can see. You might remember our sky show we watched called Light Years from Andromeda. That's M31, the Andromeda Galaxy. You can see it with the naked eye, and it's over 2 million light years away. Speaking of naked eye objects, up here between Perseus and his mother-in-law of Cassiopeia, the queen, you can just see the bottom of her distinctive W shape right there. We got the Perseus double cluster. I try to make this one sound a little bit more street. I call it the PDC. PDC. So that's the Perseus double cluster. 2 naked eye clusters you can see right above the head of Perseus, the hero. In Perseus himself, the brightest star is Merphak. And then the beta star, the second brightest star, is Algol. The ancients knew Algol, everybody, is the demon star because they could see it changing brightness using just their eyes. And if you look at the star chart symbol, notice, everybody, Algol is what we would call a variable star. All right, so let's do a quick review. On the full chart, the O1 or the 001, you're just going to trace the 5 constellations we need, and that's it. That's step 1. Here now on the T chart, step 2, connect the dots to make those same constellations. Don't forget to draw in this missing star right here. Step 3, same color, write the names of the constellations and asterisms in all capital letters. Finally, everybody, step 4, different color, secondary color, write the star and object names in lowercase letters. All right, that just about does it. If you follow these steps carefully, you're going to get a perfect grade on your fall sky. Peace.